Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I would like to tell you about how to use Office for free. That's right, for free. Now, this isn't your typical Office that you're used to using. It's not a program that you would install from a disk or a program that you would download from Microsoft. This is a program that Microsoft provides for free to anybody who wants to open an account. So basically, all you have to do is open a browser window and go to office.com. I'm already there. And then you have to get an account if you don't have one. And then once you get an account, then all you have to do is sign in. And then once you sign in, then this is basically what you see. You have all these different Office products that you can click on and you can use within your browser. Now, you probably don't need a super fast connection to use this, but you couldn't probably use this if your connection were super slow. So just keep that in mind. I would say probably if you had 7 or 8 megs or more download speed, you're probably fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to click right here where it says Word, and then what you'll see here is a few templates. You can click on more templates. That'll give you more templates. And what templates are, they're pre-designed documents, so you don't have to do any of the design of the layout. All you have to do is enter in your picture and enter in the text in and put that in place of the dummy text that they have there, and it saves you potentially quite a bit of time. So that's something you can do. They give you a few templates here, but then they also give you a new blank document. If you click on the new blank document, then it will open that, and you can just start typing, and you can see right here where it kind of looks a lot like WordPad. There's quite a lot you can do here, but it's not as full featured as the Office 365 or standalone retail Office counterpart. But if you're just looking to write a letter or something relatively simple, you can definitely get away with using this. And you can do headers and footers. You can do page numbers. You can change quite a bit of the layout. So it is really useful and definitely something that you should keep in your hip pocket. It could definitely replace a retail version of Windows or the Office 365 for a lot of people. Now, one nice feature about this is that when you type something into this, and then you click on File, and then you click on Save As, you can click on Save As, and it'll save a copy to your Microsoft OneDrive, and you can choose which folder to put it in. We'll put it into Documents and click Save, and then you can rename it and then click Save. So if you then go back to the 9 dots up here on the left, and then you click on Office, you can see in OneDrive, in Documents, you can see the thing that I just saved. So that's very useful. It basically works in a very similar way to Google Drive, which and also to Google Docs, which I outlined in a previous video. Now, there is one thing, for me, it's a pretty major thing that the Word Online does not do. And what that is if you do not have any other Office installed, you don't have Office standalone version, retail version of Word, you don't have Office 365 installed, you are not going to get the ability to dictate your words into Word Online. So if I want to type something, what I typically do is I will open up Google Docs and I will start a blank document. And then I will go to Tools and I will go to Voice Typing, and I will just start yammering, and basically Google Docs can figure out exactly what I'm saying, and no matter how quickly I'm talking, it'll take that down and it'll enter it in, and it's generally pretty correct, period. It'll also do comma, and it will do exclamation point, and it will do question mark. So it's very useful. And the applications for it are great because you could be doing this in Google Docs and you could turn it off and then you could copy that out and then paste that in whatever. You could paste it in a chat room window, you could paste it in a Word document, whatever. And then it automatically saves this in Google Drive. So that is one weakness of the Word Online that for me would make it a deal breaker, but for a lot of people that they don't need to use that, that would be fine. Now you also get Excel online here, and that would be pretty great, I think, for most people who just want to be able to do a spreadsheet. They might not want to download LibreOffice or OpenOffice. They just basically want to do a simple spreadsheet. This will work. This will do it. And you can also download all of these things to your computer. So you can back them up locally on your computer. You can back them up on OneDrive. You're good to go. So that is Office Online. It's pretty great. It has some decent features on it. It's missing one feature that for me makes it a deal breaker, but for a lot of people, I think it could be a great substitute for having to actually purchase Office. I hope everybody found this video to be enjoyable, and if so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. So if anybody lives in the Memphis, Germantown, Bartlett, Midtown, Collierville, Germantown area, and you need in-home PC repair support, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. I can come to your home and I can fix your computer while you wait. And as always, stay safe.